Icera-ini ria kamiti ya bunge igie kigina ceceni-ini ya mugithi ya Nairobi, urugamiriri wa ruhonge rwa Ukuui wa mugithi ni rugathiriirie makinya maria makinyukitio niguo kugacirithia Ukuui uyu. Kuringana na murugamiriri munene wa ruhonge ruru Philip Mainga, kwa ihinda riri mugithi wa mirigo kuuma Mombatha nginya Nairobi urakua container itanyihiire 150 o mweri, na mbere iratanywo kuongerereka nginyagia container 500.
Like China has not opened up, and other countries. They are actually rely on Dubai and a few other countries. We are expecting that when China opens up their country, and these consolidators can go there and bring the containers in terms of the volumes that they were bringing before. The last mile that we are giving as Kenya Railways from ICD to this place is very convenient. They are only charging them 10,000 for a container.
Ningi Mainga nieranire mubango wa kugacirithia Ukuui uyu makiria riu mugithi wa gukua athii kuuma Nairobi nginyagia Nanyuki ukiambiriria gukua athii ya gikiro kia mbere kana first class gukuningiriria kuuma Naivasha nginyagia Naikuru igitanywo kwambiriria kuhuthika ica ikuhi.
We have our second class ready and our first original first class ready. You know what I mean by when I say original first class ready, where we used to sleep, where we used to wake up, we used to wash our hands, we used to bath and enjoy the train. This is coming back.
Kuna riu aria makuithia mirigo mari mioyaga ceceni-ini ya mugithi ya Nairobi handu ha uria marathiaga nginyagia mwena wa Embakasi. Muikariri giti wa kamiti no Gladys Wanga ni agwetete undu uyu ta wa kuhura njeki onjoria a ikiro ciothe.
The time has reduced, the costs have reduced for traders, and this is the facilitation that our traders need, and we really thank His Excellency the President for that. This game-changing investment.
Today we are bringing these containers to this place within 18 hours, and they are able to distribute them immediately. They don't wait. The train arrives today, the containers are offloaded, they are deconsolidated.
Mwena-ini wake mubunge wa Roysambu wa hinya Ndirangu uria nowe munini wa muikariri giti kamiti-ini ino ni uriti onjoria othe kuya mweke uyu gwikuria makirire umithio wa okeretwo uthiite thi na gikiro kinene.
Sasa inawezekana wafanyi biashara dogo dogo, kama ulikuwa import carton moja au biri, ukiwa mwana biashara utaweza kuitoa hapa kwa haraka.
Hadi ni Kameme TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Bataru wa Mwangi.